Mars has a butterscotch-colored sky during the day, completely opposite from Earth, and the reason why will blow your mind. Mars has a permanent haze of dust containing limonite, a brown iron oxide. Dust grains are only 3 microns across, light enough to stay suspended high in the atmosphere. That's why the sky never clears. The dust particles absorb blue light and scatter longer wavelengths, creating the butterscotch color. If Mars had no dust, its sky would be blue from Rayleigh scattering alone, but dust dominates everything. Here's the craziest part. Mars' sunsets are blue, the exact opposite of Earth. When sunlight travels the longest distance through the thin atmosphere, red light gets filtered out, leaving only blue wavelengths. And here's what makes this even crazier. Earth and Mars literally have reversed skies. We see blue days and red sunsets. Mars sees butterscotch days and blue sunsets. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.